Okay guys, here we have the exercise number 14 from the book. Now, I know that it can be a little bit confused because we have two positive numbers, two positive fractions, but it is not difficult. I am going to explain you step by step, okay? So, first of all, we are going to organize the fraction, yes? We are going to move this 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4. Okay, that is the first step. Now, what we're going to do, remember that we are not going to change the fraction that we have to our left, okay? Remember, right, left, right, left. We are not going to change this fraction. We are going to just down the fraction, okay? So 2 over 3. Now, here, the changes are going to start in here. Here we have a minus, yes? Now, we are going to change that minus by a plus. Okay? Now, here we have a positive number. We are going to change that positive number into a negative number. Okay, so it means that it is going to be negative 3 over 4. Okay? After that, we're going to continue as normally. We're going to find the least common multiple between 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4, we're going to find the least common multiple. Yes. The second of 4 is 2. We're going to down the number 3. The second of 2 is 1. Yeah. We're going to down the number 3. The third of 3 is 1, okay? And then we're going to multiply those numbers. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, okay? It means that our least common multiple is 12. Now, here we're going to use another color. Then we're going to continue with the next step. We're going to find a number in the timetable of 3 that gave me as an answer 12. So 3 times 4, 12. And 4 times 3, 12. Okay, now remember that if we multiply this number or this denominator by 4, we're going to do the same with the numerator. We're going to multiply 2 times 4. And here we're going to do the same. Now, we have two positive numbers, yes? 2 times 4, 8. Plus, yes, plus, we have negative 3 times 3, it's negative 9. Now, remember that we have negative numbers and positive numbers. First of all, we're going to identify who is greater, okay? So it means that the answer is going to be negative, because if we compare that numbers, 9 is greater than 8, so our answer is going to be negative. And then we're going to make a subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1, okay? So 1 over 12. As you can see here, that is the answer for this exercise. And remember that at the end of your mathematics books, you have the answers, yeah? So if you want to verify if your exercises are right or not, you can do it using that tool, okay? And remember that, of course, that I am going to check the process. Bye. Thank you.